Since it is Halloween time, I'm going to do a quick little review of a tombstone that I got from at home. It's over 5 foot tall. It is made of the blow mold material, but it is quite cheaply made in my opinion for the $149 price tag on it. Got it home, got it unboxed. It does come in 3 pieces to make it easy for storage. This top piece snaps off and it just comes apart there at the bottom, but it doesn't really lock in. So what I'm going to have to do to make it usable is I'm going to have to glue the sections together, which will make it more difficult for storage, but this has to be glued together to hold it together. This right here just snaps in right here, and as you see, quite weak, along with the wings on the angel itself. I'll also be putting on the back some little brackets to make so I can actually drive some rebar in the ground to help support it. It's a very lightweight blow mold material and it will blow over very easily. Looks pretty cool, in my opinion, not worth the $150 price tag, but I've already thrown the box away and I do like the way it looks. So with a few little modifications, this gets added to the cemetery this year. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for subscribing.
18 inches, here they come.